They say you can't step into the same river twice. But what if that river was made of orbs? Today, we tumble into House Tipple, the pattern that never stops moving but never loses its place. They're small, playful, but don't let that fool you. House of Tipple rules the law of rhythm. They're not drawn, they descend. And no matter how far they fall, they always find home. A tangled world in motion, held together by the lightest shape of all. But for many artists, House of Tipple is deceiving. They look easy, familiar, until you try to place them. And suddenly the joy turns into stress. They roll off your pen uncontrolled. They crowd, they clash. You wonder, how can something so simple feel so scattered? But that's when the magic of House of Tipple appears. They don't ask for perfection, they ask for surrender. Instead of forcing the placement, let the rhythm lead. One by one by one. Not stacked, not squeezed, just gently placed like raindrops finding their way. In the legend of the Zentangle Kingdom, House Tipple was a trickster house. They didn't fight with force, they overwhelmed with charm, soft repetition, natural flow, irresistible momentum. And yet, they were the first to show up in chaos, because House of Tipple's true power isn't speed, it's placement, timing, the courage to drop without knowing where you'll land, and trusting that you are enough to hold it all together. Don't control it, feel it. Let each one fall where it may. Repetition is not routine, it's revelation. If this pattern speaks to you, maybe you're part of House of Tipple too. Always thinking, always bouncing, always returning. Ready to embrace that rhythm? Subscribe so you don't miss the next house in the Zentangle Saga. Because in this kingdom, every stroke has a soul. The next house is House of Nice.